well, actually, just to back us a second.
There was a controversy.
In our company, Beacon isn't even a part of the ad team. It's a part of our platform team. And there's this trend where we think that these social networks and social services are going from being these large monolithic sites like Facebook.com or another large social networking site to a collection of social services, right? Which some of them are ones that we've developed, right? Which we think are important, like newsfeed, right? Or profiles, inbox, the ability for people to communicate, search for things. And then a lot of them, in an increasing number, are things that we're not developing, right? Just because we know that our DNA as a company isn't set to develop a lot of these things, and even if it were, we couldn't get to them, and other people are just more talented and have more focus in different areas. So an increasing number of the social services that are out there, what we've tried to do in order to build out this ecosystem and basically reach our goal of helping everyone connect and communicate really efficiently, is we've tried to build a platform that allows other people to build these services. And some of those are going to be inside Facebook.com, and that's a lot of the development that's going on today. And an increasing amount of that is going to be outside of Facebook.com, right, in the rest of the web, having access to people's information as they want to share it, being able to push information back to their friends as people want to share it and do that. And that's just going to be an increasingly important part of the ecosystem. So what we were trying to do with Beacon was really just take the first step into letting people take actions in other parts of the web and share those back with their friends on Facebook. It also ties into the ad system in the way that I was just talking about, and that what we want to do with our ad system is have something that fits very organically with what people are doing on the site. People are sharing information, and if those can be used as endorsements that people agree to, then that could be a very effective ad system, right? And the performance of those ads, because they're trusted, right? Someone who you care about actually like, said that they wanted to do something, and it's way better, and that's just because that's what people are coming to the site to do. They're coming to learn about what's going on with their friends and communicate. But we view it as a very important trend in the world for these social services to distribute out, and for an increasing amount of this to happen outside of our walls, right, outside of Facebook.com. And that's really what the first iteration of Beacon was trying to get at. And I think we made a lot of mistakes, both in terms of how we communicated it and just some interface things. We probably didn't make it as clear as we should have. And we're learning as a company, right? I mean, we're relatively new still and trying to figure a lot of this stuff out.
Well, I think it's interesting to compare and contrast